Look who just showed up at my house.
Hello!
Look at this guy. So this weekend, we are doing a bunch of stuff to this Jeep. And I will tell you right now, I don't know where this vlog is going to go or what exactly is going to get done. But I can promise you, it's going to be a fucking good one. Right now, we are headed to the grocery store. We're going to get stuff for tacos. We're going to do Jeep stuff. We're going to do welding shit. It's going to be fucking amazing.
Lots of shit.
So keep watching.
Lots of shit.
I see the watch time goes like 30 seconds and then drops off because you watch the first 30 seconds and then don't watch the rest. You're going to want to see the rest.
I'll more than likely get naked.
You heard it here.
More than likely, my penis will be out.
Okay, sweet. Awesome.
Yeah, fuck yeah!
Fuck yeah!
Yeah, fuck yeah!
I am not a professional welder or even a seasoned welder. A little bit of progress update report. I welded the brackets on for the lights. Shout out Jarrett, Baja Designs. I'm dropping tools. I also got the fuel rail holder thing. It's not beer time. We're done. I am no welder. I have said this from the beginning. Those welds look like shit, but they're fat, big old girls, and they're not going anywhere. And they're for lights, so it doesn't really matter. And I'm only getting more welding time, so... But I'm gonna show them to you anyway. This guy over here is not too shabby, but if we come over here, yikes. And like I said, I am no welder. I don't claim to be a welder, and that's why I'm comfortable showing you guys that piece of shit weld. Alright, this one is for Mr. Dakota Moore, Be Not Babied. Cheers, buddy.
Hi, buddy. Alright, that's all I'm doing. That's all I'm doing. Oh, God. I already fucking have heartburn.
It's so cold. Oh. I love you, Dakota. Okie dokie. Now what we're going to do is put caps on these tubes on here, 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 and then on the other side. And then I'm going to grind them smooth because my welds suck. This is going to be terrible. But I'm excited.
What?
You need help. Lam-chop's taking the tire off over here next to my camera.
Because I'm smart.
No shock advised.
Okay, it is evening time. We're cleaning stuff up. We just had an absolutely amazing dinner. Lam-chop brought some taco meat, and the Trap Queen made some pico that was incredible. I forgot to film any of it because I was so hungry. I haven't eaten anything all day. But we're wrapping up here. We're probably gonna go live in a little bit. Maybe, if I can get everything set up. But it has been a pretty productive day, I would say, yeah?
Oh yeah.
Let's get Lam-chop's take on the day.
We got like caps done. We got a couple brackets done. I made you a bitchin' little plate for your table. Yeah. I think that's it.
Puppy belly.
Oh, fucking fat. Oh man.
Thank you for the tacos.
Hey man, thank you for eating the meat that I fucked up and made taco meat out of.
I love your meat.
Are you videoing?
I may do
Reinforcements came. Mr. Hadley, Culpeper Customs. Shout out Culpeper Customs. We're gonna do some steering stuff today. How'd it go yesterday, Lam-chop?
It went great. It went great. We got huge progress done.
You're being sarcastic.
I am.
So the reason we have to do this is so we can use that 1-inch pin to connect the ram, but I didn't have a drill bit big enough. Alright, I don't know if you guys have ever had this happen, but I got started on this project and completely forgot to record the rest of the day. So what ended up happening is Hadley helped us get the steering finished up. We got a couple more tabs and brackets done. We got the steering wheel welded on, and we set a plan in motion for the next couple steps. So thank you guys for watching. Sorry for the slow progress, but stay tuned with us. I think it's going to be worth it.